Hey guys, welcome to our channel Trip Fantasies. I'm Nitin.
And I'm Sanvi.
Today, the date is 13th of June and the time is 5:15 am. We are going to one of the most beautiful and the nearest beach to Hyderabad, which is Ramapuram Beach in Chirala.
We'll give you more information while we travel, so please join us on this incredible trip. The time is 6 am and we have started our journey. We are taking the ORR at Shamirpet and will travel until Vijayawada exit. Guys, as you can see, the sun is just rising and the view in front of me is extremely beautiful. There is still a bit of mist in the air. We are now exiting the ORR at Vijayawada exit and thereafter we will travel on the highway connecting Vijayawada until Narkatpalli. We will also find a suitable place to have our breakfast. This is the famous film studio in Hyderabad called the Ramoji Film City, where a lot of movie shootings happen. Guys, if you are interested, you can go for a day tour in the film city, or there are quite a few stay options also available if you are interested. You can book through online platforms. Guys, we stopped at the roadside food truck. I ordered bonda and the food is very tasty.
We finished the breakfast and are going towards Narkatpalli, from where we'll deviate towards the NAM highway. Chirala is 315 kilometers from Hyderabad, which will take at least 6 to 7 hours. And this time depends upon the number of breaks you take.
This is Pantangi Toll Plaza, our first toll plaza for the day. Guys, we are now at Narkatpalli. We are going to divert to Guntur Highway and take the NAM Expressway to Chirala. We travel 110 kilometers and reach Nalgonda. We still have 230 kilometers. We have covered 150 kilometers and still have 190 kilometers to cover. The weather is pleasant with clouds and I'm enjoying this drive. We reached Myra. We stopped at tea time to have some beverages. This is Krishna River. It divides Telangana and Andhra. This stretch is known for rice mills and this is one of the rice mills. We are now entering the beach area. There is a small entry fees of Rs 50 for car that you need to pay. The road to our resort is very narrow with the homes of the villagers on the sides. Be careful driving here as there are small kids playing on the road. Guys, we have reached our resort. We are staying in Myra Golden Beach Resort. Before giving the resort tour, we are gonna give you the room tour. They gave a sitting area outside in which you can spend time with your family and just relax in the evenings. They gave a spacious room which is very beautiful. They gave a sofa, a pretty big bed, a wardrobe, a big makeup table, and a big dining table. They even gave a TV, big TV. Guys, they gave a pretty big wardrobe. The wardrobe is very spacious. They even gave a mini refrigerator in this room. Guys, the sofa is so comfortable. It feels so relaxing after traveling for 5 long hours. Washroom is a room in itself. It's pretty big and clean. The room is a bit costly, but it makes up for the price. The room is very justified. They even gave us a beanbag, and the resort is very aesthetic. Guys, we are staying at Myra Golden Beach Resorts, which is very beautiful and is located right beside the sea. This is the way to the resort. They have 2 categories of rooms. One is suite room and one is beach villas. This is the entrance for the suite room. The beach villas are at the corner, which has direct access to the beach. Now let's go and see what amenities the resort offers us. Guys, this is the space for parking cars. It's pretty huge and can fit a big number of cars. These are all the suite rooms, and you've already seen a room tour. The lawn is very big and beautiful, which is beautifully lined up with trees. They have pools for adults and kids. This is the pool for adults and that is the pool for kids. They have beach beds and cleaning mechanisms. We are gonna dive into this pool after our lunch. Guys, this is the lawn area and they have little space for kids to play. Looks like this is a fountain, but there is no water. We are gonna see in the evening if there's on the water in the fountain. Guys, this is the place to click photos for your Instagram posts or your photos. Guys, as you can see, we are now walking toward the beach, which is just half a kilometer away from the suite rooms. We are gonna now go and check how the sea is in the evening. I'm able to hear the roar of the water and I'm very excited to go into the beach. These are the Myra Beach cottages, which are easily accessible to the beach. Guys, this is the first glimpse of the beach. It is very beautiful and very secluded, and I know that I'm going to have a beautiful time here. This is the Myra Beach Resorts private beach, and as you can see, there are very less people playing in the beach. These are the Myra beach facing cottages. They have their own entry to the beach. They have beach beds everywhere, and there are also some activities to do. Friends, I cannot wait. I will now enter the sea to take a dip and enjoy my time. There is a beach volleyball net to play and spend time with your loved ones, and also set up like this outside the resort to take some incredible Instagrammable photos with your friends and family. Guys, it's now time to fly our drone and capture some incredible moments. If you like our drone shots, then consider subscribing to our channel.
Hope you like the drone shots. We are now back at our resort from the beach, and now we are spending some time in the pool with our family.
We had a great time in swimming pool, and the resort in the night is very beautiful with all the lightings. We are now going to the beach to spend some time in the cold breeze and relax. Guys, we have reached our hotel and our dinner just arrived. We ordered chicken fry piece biryani, roti and curry for our dinner. After eating this, we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay healthy and safe. Bye!